Welcome. My name's Malachi Kegio, Field Service Engineer with the Siemens Field Support Group. Today, we'll go over how to download files to a USB flash drive using the A80485 display unit. We're going to use the GCP 3000 Plus to demonstrate, but the process will be the same for any of our current product lines with the push-button display unit, including the MS4000, GCP 4000, and GCP 5000. Menu options may vary slightly between products. We'll start by inserting the flash drive into the USB port on the display module. When we put the flash drive in, it says USB detected. We can press back to continue or enter for the USB menu, so we'll press enter. The first thing we'll do is pull an event log. Select Download Event Log, and then select your time frame. Last 24 hours, last 2 weeks, or a specific event by date and time. To download other logs, select Download All Logs on the USB menu, then select your desired logs and follow the menu instructions to confirm. The time this takes will depend upon the number of train moves recorded and can vary greatly. We've pulled logs, now let's download the configuration report. To download the configuration report, just select Download Configuration Report on the USB screen. Finally, we're going to download the configuration pack file. To download the pack file, select Download Configuration. If you have any questions about what we've gone over today, feel free to give us a call at technical support. Thank you and have a safe day.